Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for TrustWallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open your TrustWallet application. Since it can only be opened from an Android emulator on your desktop, let me click open my BlueStacks. But you can also go and click open the TrustWallet application on your mobile device as well. The process is similar. From the list of the applications, click open TrustWallet as soon as you open your BlueStacks, and once it opens, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface on your display. If you already have an account, you can click on I already have a wallet and log into your account, but if you'd like to create a new one, click on create a new wallet. Now, in the next step, you'll see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. You'll need to click on this box right here that says I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet, so make sure to back up your recovery code on the next page. Click on this box right here and click continue, and you'll be able to see your recovery phrases in this page. Go ahead and copy your recovery phrase and paste it somewhere else safe. Let me click open my notepad and simply paste it in right here. Now click on continue, and on the next page select the phrases from the options over here and put them in the correct order. Click on them one by one. Once you select the phrases in the correct order, click down at the bottom, and with this you will successfully sign up for TrustWallet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.